Dear students, this is BSR. In the last video, we discussed why do we need electoral reforms. With that video, we have completed 16th lesson. In this video, we will start with first subtopic of 17th lesson. That is independent India, the first 30 years, that is 1947 to 77. So first subtopic is first general elections. So here this is very important. India got independence 1947, but we have our own problems. It was ruled by Britishers several years. Around 200 years, it was under control of Britishers. Unfortunately, they did not look into the problems of the people. Even they suppressed the people who are asking regarding their rights. Even they did not develop the country. But such a backward country, they made India as a backward country. So it is after getting independence, we have started working on this. Particularly, we have many challenges or many works are to be done. So, particularly when talking about challenges before Indian leaders, one is about we need to maintain unity and integrity. That's important for the nation because after getting independence immediately, there were communal rights that are taken place in many parts of India. So that my point is here, we need to bring unity among the people, and then only country will be developed. So and unity is to be taken up as an important challenge. So again, second one is whatever that the society or economic conditions are there, those conditions are to be developed. Social conditions, economic conditions are to be changed because socially, economically, India is a backward country where there is no development. There are large number of people are away from the developmental goals. They are not able to get even minimum needs. So under these circumstances, Indian government, after getting independence, had an important aim, that is social and economic change. So entire society or it economically the changes that are to be brought. So that is a major challenge before us. Still, even working in this particular area. And third one is to attain unity, to attain social development, to attain economic development, we need to work. Particularly, we need to follow a democratic system. Under democratic system, we need to work on this particular area, and we need to make India as a strong nation. That's why Indian leaders are working strongly in this particular area. So one side democracy must be continued, another side goals are to be attained. So without without conducting democracy successfully, it may be difficult to achieve the goals like unity, integrity, social development, economic development. That's why Government of India, after getting independence, had taken strong steps towards development. Particularly Nehru's period, a great period where many projects and as well as multi-purpose projects followed by so international followed by many iron and steel industries, basic industries were set up. So like that, many steps were taken up. Even fire plants were introduced. There are large number of works are being done. So my dear students, in this video, we will have how general elections are conducted. We will have discussion on how the general elections are conducted in India first time. So first general elections were held 1952. So from that onwards, we have been conducting elections in India sincerely, successfully. Actually, we need to conduct elections because we need to elect leaders. So without electing leaders, we cannot achieve goals. So my point is here, we must have a government. We To have a government, we need to conduct elections. Through after conducting elections, we will establish government, and then government can look into the problems of the people, can have its own vision. It can come out with all these aspects and events, so that government can look into these areas. That's why elections are compulsory, because we committed to conduct follow democratic system. So that's why first time in 1952 elections were held. But at that time the system is very bad. It was very difficult to conduct elections in 1952, because when talking about society is backward society, they don't know what is going on, what is elections, what are elections, how to cast vote, and all the things they don't know. At same time, large section of people are illiterate. They cannot read and write. It is a really difficult process. It's really a difficult process where they don't even read and write. Even women, independent status for women not there. And these people are they don't have their own identity. The independent identity not there. They cannot come into the society. They don't know how to use the political rights. Even the woman is known by the father's name or father's identity or name. This is understand they do not even have equal rights. The society with complete traditions, customs, certain norms. So that's why we need to take certain aspects. They do not have independent identity. So under these circumstances, it will be always difficult to conduct. So when elections are held, but people should understand their own system, their own rights. They should go independently. They should cast their vote without independent depend upon any other person. So these are all aspects are to be taken into consideration. That's why election commission, I think, which was established in 1950, already we discussed. It's an important body, independent body, meant for conducting elections throughout the country. Under the circumstances, election commission came out with an important novel idea, that is about ballot papers are to be made, and along with the candidates, in front of that, after the name of the candidate, symbols are provided. So every party or party candidates will get symbols. So symbols, providing symbol on or printing symbol on ballot boxes, ballot papers, is an important idea that is there to the election commission. They came out and they prepared ballot papers well, and with the symbols. That's why now the people can go and cast their vote. And at the same time, they have done a lot of work in this. It's not easy to ask the people to come and cast their vote. There are large number of continuously there are large number of instructions were given by the election commission to the people, because first time we are facing general elections throughout the country. It will be always difficult to conduct, and people don't know. People with traditions, customs, and some of the section of society or the women cannot come out from the houses. So they don't allow the women to go out, and under the circumstances, I think it will be always difficult to conduct elections. So even though, but the election commission successfully conducted election 1952, because a strong campaigning was conducted, a big campaigning, massive campaigning. They went to each and every area, and they created awareness regarding the fundamental rights, and the large number of instructions were given. So people are aware of this, and then people are able to understand about the political system and rights, and importance of casting vote and everything. And then they came out, and the large number of people came out and they cast their vote. This is really wonderful work done by the election commission. A large number of instructions, and particularly every candidate at that time, every candidate has their own ballot box. At present, we have only one ballot box. Just look at that. Once looking at this, large number of people participated. So in these circumstances, when talking about this, large number of people came out. So talking about this, people from various regions, they came out. Rajput ladies who came out with a lot of enthusiasm. They came out and then cast their vote. At the same time, even people from remote areas also came out, and people from remote areas like Assam and other areas, they came before one day before, and entire day they celebrated, and next day they cast their vote. So this is the way how certain regions, there are people who arranged wrestling, right, match between two of their young men, each named to represent a candidate. You mean that what do you call it? Having agreed that all would vote for the candidate whose representative won in this wrestling, who is going to get victory, and they will get cast their right vote. So like many offerings were also, petitions, and there are many slips are found in ballot boxes. Every candidate, they had their own ballot box, separate boxes, right? In the ballot boxes, they wrote their own problems. Many people came out with many what you call this problems. They kept papers, right? Some, and even clothes also found in this, and petitions. So many things are found in the ballot boxes. Anyhow, whatever the expectation that is there regarding the first general election, I think election commission got doubt. It may be difficult to conduct election, but anyhow, but Election Commission came out and conducted elections very well, and large number of people from all parts of India actively participated and successfully conducted, and finally we are able to form a great and strong government, that is Nehru government. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll take another video. Thank you.